Emperor penguins reside in communities known as colonies. Colony members congregate to protect one another from Antarctica's cold temperatures and glacier climate. In this way, they share body heat and protect themselves from harsh winds. They frequently switch places, taking turns on the outer edge, where conditions are the harshest. Emperor penguins are the deepest divers in the bird world. They can stay underwater for 20 minutes at a depth of 1,850 feet. The dive that lasted the longest was 28 minutes. To conserve oxygen, their hemoglobin effectively shuts down organs that are not as vital. Their robust bones can sustain pressure that is 40 times greater than the surface pressure. On the ice, a penguin moves around by lying down on its stomach and kicking its legs. This behavior is referred to as the tobogganing technique. This mode of transportation is suitable for all penguin species, including the regal emperor penguin. Around 7 weeks after birth, chicks gather to form crutches or groupings. The juvenile penguins congregate in these huddles for warmth, safety, and convenient parental care. Emperor penguins have sleek bodies and wings that function as flippers for swimming. Like all penguins, they are flightless. Ice that is affixed to land or shelves of ice is known as fast ice. These solid sheets of ice that penguins rest on are made of frozen and solidified ocean water and are wedged between islands or icebergs. Using air trapped under their wings, emperor penguins launch themselves out of the water. As a result, they can swim twice as fast as usual and swim back to the ice. Air catches in a fine, downy mesh at the base of emperor penguin feathers in microscopic filaments that are just 20 microns in diameter or less than half the breadth of a human hair. This species exclusively reproduces throughout the Antarctic winter. When a female penguin has finished nesting, she will go far from her colony to find food. Traveling distances of 80 to 160 kilometers are common, and many females do not come back until the incubation is through, which is typically 60 days. Male emperor penguins incubate their eggs by balancing them on the tops of their feet, then storing them in a brood pouch. This pouch is essentially a specialized abdominal chamber with a feathered skin lining. When the eggs hatch, the mothers are in charge and will transport their young using their pouches. Adults distinguish each penguin by its unique cry. Parents can recognize their young by their sounds and will only feed those that are their own. Emperor penguins have a distinctive two-voice call that is useful for identifying specific individuals. Emperor penguins go through a process called molting every year.